Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
In this episode, I will show you the 3 best 3-channel dash cams to buy. Let's get started. On number 1, we have Rove Dash Cam. It is a 3-channel touchscreen dash camera for cars. This is all you need for any dash cam need and enthusiast, period. It has all the bells and whistles with an industry-changing design that features 3-inch IPS touchscreen with just a single power button, and the rest is done magically by Rove's custom-designed firmware of this dash camera. 24 hours parking monitor, G-sensor, proprietary distortion correction algorithm, loop recording, built-in digital image stabilization, f1.4 lens aperture allows more light in the camera capturing the smallest details on the road. The best part of the Rove R3 is the 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi and the all-new beautifully designed Rove apps. Its always-on Wi-Fi feature allows you to seamlessly view your videos on your smartphone using the Rove Dash Cam app. On number 2, we have Vantrue E3 Dash Cam. Faster transfer speed, and allows you directly to live view, configuration, file browse, download, and share the happening on road to social media and community easily on your phone via Vantrue free app. The included GPS module accurately records your driving route, location, speed, and time in real time, and allows you to check the exact GPS information on Google Maps via free Vantrue player and app. A big f1.7 aperture 7 glass lens and omnivision sensor observing road front, f2.06 glass lens, and upgraded sensor observing rear. The front and rear camera capture crisp clear nighttime video footage in the low-light environments which clearly shows car plates number, road signs, etc. On number 3, we have Razo 360 degrees Dash Cam. It is a 3-channel dash cam with front and rear cameras for license plate recognition and utilizes 360-degree camera to record without any blind spots. The front unit has a built-in front and 360-degree camera lens with on-semi image sensor capable of recording all the front, inside, and surroundings in FHD. 2.7-inch large LCD screen to play back footages, and also options to turn off the screen or adjust the brightness. Improved front camera recording for license plate recognition. Rear camera equipped with Sony's Starvis image sensor to record in FHD equipped with infrared LED to record inside the car during lighting situations. So these are some of the best 3-channel dash cams to buy in 2023. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.